Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Sunita from Articrafty. I have taught you several types of masks in my previous episodes. Today I have come with this African mask. So let's get started. Take A3 size any dark color of paper of 160 GSM. Okay. Now you fold it in half. Okay. Press on folded area. Again you fold it as I am showing and press. Now see, we have this crease line, and this line why we need for basic form of this mask. This is the basic form of mask as we have already made while making so many masks in my previous episodes. Okay, now you fold it and we need to measure on this. Now take a scale and see the length of this area of this paper. Okay, and now we have 28 centimeter right edge of this area, and we will divide it in equal 4 parts. Equal 4 parts means 7 centimeter for each. Now I have already divided it in equal 4 parts. See, these marks are here. Next, take a pencil. Okay, draw a straight line from this mark which we have created, this mark to here on this crease line. Okay, so draw a straight line. We'll do same with this second mark up to here and here. Okay, now we have these 3 straight line, okay, and 4 divided area. Next step is to create one more mark in the middle of this last divided area. See, this is the last divided area. At about middle of this area we will create one more mark here. Okay, and you draw a curved line here. Curved line. Wait, I have this brown color pencil, so it will be convenience for you to see this. So now this is the curved line. Now one more curved line inside this bigger one. Okay, this is we have completed. Next, what the next step is that from this first line in the middle of this area, that means that on the crease line, okay, we create one more point here, dot here. Okay, and we draw a curved line up to here at about 1 centimeter from the edge. Okay, 1 centimeter from the edge. So you can create a mark here. Okay, mark here. So draw a curved line. Curved line here. Okay, it is very similar from the previous one, but different. The design is different. Okay, so this is the line, this curved line. Okay, now we have to make some more marks. So create one more mark in the middle of this second divided area at the crease line. See, in the middle, at the middle, see. Okay, middle. Now draw again a curved line up to here, so wide to narrow. Okay, wide to narrow. This is little bit disturbing. Okay, so now this is like that. Okay, now do one thing. Draw a line here, slanting line, leaving a little bit area, just like from here to here, like a 2 centimeter from this line. This is the lips, this is for the lips. Okay, so 2 centimeter from here. Okay, and then again here to here 2 centimeter. Okay, 2 centimeter and 2 centimeter, like that. Okay, now next draw a circle over there. Draw a circle over there. Okay, and here also circle, like that. Okay, next divide this area up to here from right edge to this crease line. So divide it in at about 3 parts. Okay, create marks here. Okay, and then do one thing. Make a design like this. See. Okay, now draw from the middle of this first line. This is the first line and this is the middle. Okay, so here you create a dot at the middle of this. Okay, this is first divided line. Now draw a parallel line up to here. Okay, draw a parallel line up to here. Now do the same as I am doing. Leave a little bit place here. Now one more thing I forgot to show you, that we need to draw this line, the curved line from this for the last line from here to here up to the middle of this curved line. Okay, take a scissor and cut along the line. Now you can fold this paper like this and do the same as I did this. Okay, and you just cut along the line. We have to leave a little bit from the first that V shape, okay, and then you start for cutting second one. Now see this part. We have drawn this line, so we will directly cut from here to here on this line like that, and just you shaped it. Don't throw this paper because we need this. Okay, keep it aside. Now we have a shape like that. Okay, see, like that. So flip it over and then fold it from this side. Fold it from this side. Now we have that neat and clean paper. Okay, neat and clean. Now take another contrast color of paper, any light color of paper. Okay, so I have this. Now you fold it same as before. Okay, before that, take a white piece of paper. I have this white piece of paper, and we will trace this semicircle. Okay, fold the paper here. This is also the folding part. And keep it here, and we need to trace it. Trace it. Okay. So we have this paper. Now we will staple it here. We have this mask, okay, like that. You can decorate more, you can draw some design on it, okay. Now I have kept this paper, okay, so we can decorate it. Here like this, okay. You can stick it and decorate it like this, okay. Thanks for watching. Hope you like my video. So please like it, share it and subscribe it. And if you have any suggestion regarding this, then please write it in the comment box below. See you in the next episode. Bye.